Dude, Lisa's hip work is so crazy. So many years later, she's just different, man. A lot. Oh, she's so hot. She's so hot. That little smile, man. That was really impressive, by the way. True. The cobalt blue boots, by the way. Arguably, maybe a strike on this on this stream. Let's see. This is Lisa, Anitta. I don't even know who Rema is. I'm gonna be honest. I know who Anitta is, but obviously we're here for Lisa. This is a World Cup song. Yeah, I don't know. Goals. FIFA Sound, which I think is like their orchestra, right? I mean, yeah. Hot Lisa's hot. That's gonna be this whole video. It's just me saying that. And also maybe screaming it. We'll see about the song. True. True. Oh, man. I like the light flip-on transition. That's actually a good idea. I like this dun 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 as like a refrain or an answer to the chorus. It's kind of cool. It's a good use of MIDI piano. Lisa stretching though. Dude, she's so hot. Why is a Labubu here, bro? It's cause like Korea and like, but like, bruh. Dude, Lisa's hip work is so crazy. So many years later, she's just different, man. A lot. Oh, she's so hot. She's so hot. That little smile, man. That was really impressive, by the way. True. The cobalt blue boots, by the way. My girls, we got our tongues out and you love it. What a lyric. Shout out the World Cup, I guess. I mean, this is just... The pose is great. Dude. Okay. Oh my god. The shake, the full body shake. Well, Lisa, bro. Oh my. Dude, these poses she's hitting are crazy. Oh, they're lighting the whole place on fire? The lighter was actually a backup. It was redundant. That was a direct result of this from Lisa. That shake is what started the fire, actually. No lighter required. And I guess I could turn subs on? Nope, never mind. There are no subs to turn on. We've moved past Red Hot. The video is Blue Hot, by the way. That's a wild chorus for a FIFA song. Me and my girls, we got our tongues out and you love it. Dude, Lisa's so insane. Why is the Labubu going crazy? I mean, Lisa, please. Is this Rema, I guess? Yep, he just said something about Rema. I dig the green gloves, like the goalie gloves or whatever. Okay, he's vibing. He's kind of going crazy, actually. This flow is nasty. Damn, okay, Lisa. I hadn't even seen this fit. I saw the other one, I'm not gonna lie. I saw the Instagram post. Dude, stop. That smile, man. I mean, I'm not even gonna say anything. We're just gonna... Bro, look at Anita's abs, by the way. But, anyway. Elisa Monavan. I'm down so bad at all times. It's ridiculous. She's so fine. She is, in fact, goals. Get it? It's goals because they're scoring goals because it's soccer, also known as football. Yeah, I mean, this is... It's fun. It's a fun, dancey song. I enjoy it. It feels very playful, very energetic, very dance-focused. Sexy Lisa is sexy. World Cup is sexy. The beat is sexy. Anitta went kind of crazy. I had no idea who Rema is, but he sounds great, actually. I might listen to a song. Do you have a recommendation for a Rema song? Anybody who knows Rema? Good song. I enjoyed it. Apparently... I see a Nigeria tag. Wonder if he's Nigerian. I mean, listen, I'll say both names. I'm an American, but I'm aware I'm an American, you know? I'm not gonna pretend I'm not. Thank you so much to everyone who's chosen to support me on Patreon, with special appreciation going to Lucky7 Jen, Daniel Rains, Muse Ribbons, Atsuchi Ray H, Bob, and Mocking JN7.